In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the print layout the default view in Microsoft Word. Print layout is the most commonly used view because it shows your document as it will appear on paper, including margins, headers, footers, and page breaks. Setting it as your default ensures that every time you open Word, your documents start in this view, which can save you time and make editing more efficient. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can either start with a new blank document or open an existing document. Either way, the steps are the same. Once Word is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the View tab. This tab contains different options for how your document is displayed on the screen, such as Read Mode, Web Layout, Outline, and Print Layout. Click the Print Layout button to switch your current document into Print Layout view. You will now see the page exactly as it will appear when printed, including margins, line spacing, and other formatting elements. This is the view you want as your default. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner of the window and click it. From the menu, choose Options to open the Word Options dialog box. This is where you can customize many settings for Word, including the default view. In the Word Options window, select the Advanced section from the list on the left. Scroll down until you find the Print section. In this section, you will see an option labeled Use Draft Quality and Other Non-Editable Files in Reading View. Below that, there's an option for controlling the default view when creating new documents. Look for the setting that allows you to choose the default view for new documents. Click the drop-down menu and select Default. This ensures that every new document you create in Word will automatically open in Print Layout view. After selecting Print Layout, click the OK button at the bottom of the Word Options window to save your changes. You can now close the current document and reopen Word to test it. Every new document should now open in Print Layout by default. And that's all there is to it. By setting Print Layout as your default view, you make editing and formatting your documents easier and more consistent across all your projects. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.